In this video, I have a super quick tutorial showing you how to create a local multimodal RAG, Gemini 2.0 flash and context-aware response to make a powerful agent chatbot for your business or personal use, one that doesn't require a powerful laptop. At the end of the year, the competition between big model products kicked up again. In my last video, I have covered a Llama 3.3. On December 11th, Google released Gemini 2.0 Flash. As the model name suggests, it has low latency and high performance, and Google plans to make it the core engine for the large-scale application of Google-related products. Gemini 1.5 Flash is a favorite among developers. Building on the success of Gemini 2.0 Flash, it delivers improved performance while maintaining fast response times. Notably, the new model outperformed the 2.0 Pro in key benchmarks by twice as much speed. It introduces expanded capabilities, including support for multimodal input, such as images, video and audio, and multimodal output, such as text paired with AI-generated images and manipulated multi-language text-to-speech. This AI model can also natively call tools like Google Search to execute code and access user-defined third-party functions. Multimodal RAG allows the RAG system to inject multiple forms of information into the multimodal model, allowing the system to retrieve not only text snippets based on user prompts, but also text, images, videos, and other data in different modalities. Guys, if you want to know more about multimodal RAG, I have covered a cool video about Copali and Ollama OCR. It is well explained and easy to understand. In this video, we use the same concept of Copali, but in a programmatic way. So, let me give you a quick demo of a live chatbot to show you what I mean. I will upload a PDF that includes a table and a chart, and then I will ask the chatbot a question. Summarize this PDF. Feel free to ask any question you want. If you look at how the chatbot generates the output, you will see that it starts by converting PDF pages into images using PyMU PDF and Pillow. It processes each page, adjusts the resolution, converts it to PNG, and generates embeddings with built-in rate limiting to ensure compliance with API restrictions by retrying if the limit is exceeded. It then answers user questions by identifying the most relevant passage in a data frame to a given query and calculating embedding similarity using the dot product. The agent follows text-based instructions to ensure the summaries are precise and designed for embedding and retrieval tasks. And another agent analyzes the page to avoid missing information or fabricated details before generating the output. In this video, I will explain what Gemini 2.0 Flash and context-aware responses are, what the features of Gemini 2.0 Flash, and how to create a powerful chatbot with Gemini 2.0 Flash, local, multimodal RAG, and context-aware responses. Definitely stay tuned throughout the end of this video. If you guys haven't followed me, I highly recommend that you do so you can stay up to date with the latest AI news. Lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn the notification bell, like this video, and check out previous videos because there is a lot of content that you will definitely benefit from. So that thought, let's get right back into the video. Gemini 2.0 Flash is a lightweight model that is the successor to Gemini 1.5 Flash. Lightweight models are generally cheap and fast, but they often have lower response accuracy compared to heavy models. Essentially, it is an option to reduce costs and latency when the high response accuracy of heavy models is not required. Gemini 2.0 Flash goes beyond being merely a knowledge base, allowing Gemini 2.0 to obtain information and process tasks on its own. The Gemini 2.0 Flash experimental version introduces significant upgrades, including a breakthrough in speed and performance, outperforming Gemini 1.5 Pro on key benchmarks and being twice as responsive, along with multimodal output capabilities that natively generate text, audio, and images for more complex interactions, and models are trained for intelligent tool use, such as Google Search and code execution, enhancing their ability to obtain information and perform tasks. As demonstrated in the benchmarks, Gemini 2.0 Flash excels, surpassing Gemini 1.5 Pro, making it not only faster but also a powerful platform for intelligent interaction, complex task processing, and real-time response. Context awareness is huge for AI agents because if we want them to be efficient, and give us an output using the knowledge we carry in our minds, they have to be able to understand the context we have already. It would create more work for someone to manually type out their thoughts, so there are different ways of collecting the context to consider. Context awareness enhances the relevance and quality of AI outputs by ensuring that they are not only technically accurate, but also contextually appropriate. Now let's get on with the guide on how to build an AI chatbot using Gemini 2.0 Flash plus Multimodal RAG plus Context Aware. When it comes to creating this chatbot, we will create an ideal environment for the code to work. We need to install the necessary Python libraries. For this, we will do a pip install of the libraries below. Once installed, we import the important dependencies like rate limit to control the rate of requests sent or received by a network interface controller, fits to parse PDFs, split and merge PDFs, and Google to handle API. Let's config class to provide an easy and structured way to manage application settings. I use default values for critical parameters like model name, text embedding model ID, and image resolution. We create a PDF to images function in the PDF processor that converts PDF pages into high-quality images using PyMu PDF and Pillow. It processes each page, adjusts the resolution, converts it to a PNG byte stream, and returns a list of PL images for further analysis. This method is flexible, supporting DPI adjustments, and is ideal for document analysis or vision-based AI models. We then create another class called Gemini Client to facilitate interaction with the Gemini API for tasks like text summarization and image analysis. The Gemini API is initialized to create an instance of the Gemini client. Next, we define a make prompt function to generate text-based instructions for the Gemini API to ensure the summaries are precise and designed for embedding and retrieval tasks. We also implement an analyze page function to process and summarize a PDF page image. This ensures that summaries are optimized for embedding and retrieval while avoiding fabricated details such as non-existent numbers. So, we create embeddings function to generate embeddings with built-in rate limiting to ensure compliance with API restrictions by retrying if the limit is exceeded, and find the best passage function to identify the most relevant passage in a data frame for a given query by calculating embedding similarity using the dot product with error handling for reliable execution. Together, these functions include error handling and are designed for applications like semantic search and document retrieval, ensuring efficient API usage and reliable results. Then we create the make answer prompt function for the agent to answer questions in a friendly way. It cleans up the passage and helps the agent give easy to understand answers, which is perfect for explaining research in a way that anyone can understand. Finally, we define the application class to process a PDF, extracting and analyzing content from each page using Gemini's vision capabilities, then generating embeddings for document retrieval, summarization, and semantic search. It initializes with an API key to create a Gemini client and sets up an empty data frame. The process PDF method checks if the PDF exists, converts its pages to images, analyzes them, and stores the results. If no content is found, it raises an error. The method then generates embeddings for the extracted content and stores them in the data frame. Error handling is incorporated to ensure smooth processing. Then we create an answer questions function for a list of questions by first checking if the PDF data is loaded. For each question, it finds the most relevant passage from the PDF, creates a prompt for Gemini's model, and generates an answer. The answer, along with the source information, is stored in a list. If any error occurs, an error message is added instead. The method returns the list of answers and their sources. So we created the main function in this Streamlit app, which allows users to upload a PDF, input a question, and use the Gemini API through the RAG application class to process the PDF and provide answers. The process includes loading environment variables, handling API key verification, and using forms to gather user input. The app uses error handling to ensure smooth operation with clear messages displayed to users during the entire workflow. This setup enables document analysis and question answering from PDFs in a user-friendly interface. Gemini 2.0 Flash helps you build faster and more powerful AI apps, further promoting the arrival of the era of intelligent agents. Of course, Gemini 2.0 Flash is not the first agentic model. Models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4.0 have achieved strong results in the field of AI agents. The release of Gemini 2.0 Flash means that Google has officially joined the fierce competition for AI agents. As a big fan of AI agents, I am still looking forward to the early release of the official version of Gemini 2.0 Flash to see how powerful Google's AI agent will be. I wonder if our AI agent army will gain another powerful member.